Ever wondered what's the secret sauce to building an extraordinary career? Today we are gonna uncover the magic formula, taking inspiration from iconic figures who have already cracked the code. Get ready for a wild ride of career exploration and self-discovery. Prepare to turn your work into something truly special. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Know yourself. Imagine you are a chef cooking up a masterpiece. You wouldn't just throw random ingredients together, right? Well, the same goes for your career. Knowing your strengths, interests, and values is like having the perfect recipe for success. Take Oprah Winfrey, the media queen. She didn't just stumble into becoming a talk show host. It was a conscious choice based on her deep understanding of herself. Oprah knew she had a gift for connecting with people, and she used that knowledge to create a show that connected with millions. So, buddy, take some time to get to know yourself. What are you naturally good at? What kind of impact do you want to make on the world? Once you have a clear picture of your inner compass, you will be able to steer your career in the right direction. Tip number 2. Set clear goals. Without goals, your career is like a ship without a rudder. It will just drift aimlessly. So set some clear, defined goals to give your career a sense of purpose and direction. Think of Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur. His goals aren't just about making money. They are about changing the world. Musk wants to revolutionize automotive industry with Tesla, make humanity interplanetary with SpaceX, and colonize Mars. These aren't just dreams, they are audacious missions that drive him forward. So don't be afraid to dream big. Set goals that inspire you, challenge you, and make you feel excited about the future. And remember, goals aren't set in stone. They can evolve as you grow and learn. Tip number 3. Embrace learning. In today's ever-changing world, staying ahead of the curve is essential. So make learning a lifelong commitment. Look at Bill Gates, the software guru. Even after revolutionizing the world with Microsoft, Gates never stopped learning. He's always on a lookout for new trends, technologies, and ideas. This commitment to continuous learning has kept him relevant and allowed him to make even more significant contributions to the world. So guys, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and dive into new learning opportunities. Take online courses, attend workshops, read books, and engage in meaningful conversations with people from different fields. The more you learn, the more you will grow, and the more valuable you will become in the job market. Tip number 4. Network like a pro. Networking isn't just about handing out business cards. It's about building genuine connections with people who can support you on your journey. Take Richard Branson, the adventurous entrepreneur. His success isn't just tied to his Virgin Ventures. It's also a testament to his strategic networking. Branson has built strategic relationships with a diverse range of people, from business leaders to everyday individuals. These connections have opened doors to new opportunities and helped him turn his ventures into global phenomena. So buddy, get out there and start networking. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people you meet. Building a strong network can provide you with individual support, mentorship, and opportunities throughout your career. Tip number 5. Master your craft. Becoming a master in your field isn't a one-time investment. It's a commitment to relentless refinement. Think of Serena Williams, the tennis icon. She didn't just show up and expect to win. She dedicated her life to mastering her craft. Serena continuously pushed her limits, refined her techniques, and set new standards for the sport. Her dedication to excellence made her a symbol of greatness. So never stop striving to improve your skills and knowledge. Take on challenging projects, seek feedback from mentors, and embrace new challenges. The more you refine your craft, the more valuable and successful you will become. Tip number 6. Develop soft skills. While hard skills are the tools in your professional toolkit, soft skills are the unseen pillars supporting your success. These are the interpersonal and personal qualities that enable you to build strong relationships, communicate effectively, and navigate complex situations with grace and diplomacy. Consider Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple. His technical brilliance was undeniable, but his mastery of soft skills was what truly set him apart. Jobs had an innate ability to communicate complex ideas in simple terms, inspire his team with his vision, and understand the needs and desires of his customers. These soft skills were instrumental in his success, turning Apple into a cultural phenomena and revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. So guys, don't underestimate the power of soft skills. Invest in developing your communication, teamwork, problem solving, and leadership abilities. These skills will not only enhance your job performance, but also open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. They will become your secret weapon in the competitive professional landscape. Tip number 7. Embrace failure. Failure isn't the end of the road. It's a diversion that can lead you to even greater success. Think of J.K. Rowling, the literary wizard behind Harry Potter. She faced countless rejections before her masterpiece was finally published. But she didn't let failure define her. Instead, she used it as a fuel to keep writing and perfecting her craft. Her resilience turned rejection into a stepping stone to extraordinary success. So buddy, don't be afraid to fail. It's inevitable, and it's often through failure that we learn the most valuable lessons. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth and use them to bounce back stronger and wiser. And tip number 8. Find a mentor. Having a mentor is like having a personal GPS on your career journey. Look at Warren Buffett, the investment guru. He attributes much of his success to his mentor, Benjamin Graham. Graham's guidance and mentorship helped Buffett navigate the complexities of finance and become one of the most successful investors in history. So guys, seek out a mentor who can provide you with support, advice, and encouragement. A mentor can help you see the bigger picture, make informed decisions, and avoid common pitfalls. Their guidance can be invaluable in shaping your career success. So, crafting an extraordinary career isn't about following a rigid formula. It's about discovering your unique path to success. Remember, you have the potential to achieve great things, and these essential steps can help you navigate your journey with confidence and purpose. So guys, embrace your individuality, pursue your passions, and never stop learning and growing. With determination, perseverance, and a positive attitude, you can create a career that is both fulfilling and successful. Cheers to your unique journey.